Hello, crypto world. Here we are. Chairman Powell just finished speaking, and Powell said everything we thought that he would say. Number one, they weren't cutting rates, they weren't raising rates, and he said they're on hold until they see what's going on in the economy. It wasn't bullish, in my opinion, or bearish for the equity markets. The markets moved around, but look, the Dow's down a little, the S&P's down a little, nothing significant. He didn't really scare people or excite them. He did suggest that perhaps equities were overvalued, but we had a surprise moment, and the result is that we are in Greenland across the board, and we saw a move in Bitcoin that wasn't related to interest rates, wasn't related to what Powell had said to the economy. This is the hourly chart, and look how Bitcoin went shoo! And the reason was very simple. Powell said, and this is a quote, "Banks are perfectly able to serve crypto customers." A very positive thing, because we all know about choke point and all the issues with crypto, and that's when Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market rallied, despite the fact that interest rates and the dollar didn't change very much. And I can't help but mention, we know that Trump said lower interest rates, but Powell said that he didn't speak to Trump, and he is not going to comment on tariffs and on what Trump said, because that's not his role. But he did say he hadn't spoke to him. By the way, I think this is a very funny picture. And I don't think it was remarkable to say labor markets conditions remain solid, inflation remains somewhat elevated, and he didn't do anything. So put Powell aside. You saw what he said, how it helped crypto. And I have to come back to this. While Powell was speaking, the senator, who's very pro-crypto, Cynthia Loomis, said one of the first orders of business will be to hold public hearings on the strategic Bitcoin reserve. And she made reference to the fact that the Czechoslovakian bank has said that they want to buy billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. And her response was, if you're not first, you're last. America must take decisive action to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve and secure its place in the 21st century. Very bullish, and you can see how you combine her statements with Powell saying banks can handle crypto. We're in Greenland. Bottom line, we had Chairman of the Federal Reserve saying banks can handle crypto. Excellent thing to hear from him. And then we have a U.S. Senator saying Bitcoin reserve has to happen first in the United States ahead of other countries that are discussing it. So Greenland's here.